to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva Gutowski. So guys, today is a very exciting day because we're going to be doing some crafts. August 5th is my best friend in the whole entire world's birthday, the big 2-1. For her 21st, she really wanted Don Julio, so we got it for her. If you're asking yourself what this is, it's just a very nice, luxury source of liquid juice. Not juice, but I got that juice. No, not juice, but juice, if you know what I mean. I can't even believe I'm holding this in my hand right now because, guys, this is just like so luxury. All of our friends pitched in to get it for her. She doesn't even know we have it yet. This is gonna be a whole surprise. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Not only did we get her the Don Julio, I thought it'd be really exciting and really cool if I decorated it like Kylie Jenner's bottle that she got on her 21st birthday. It is so beautiful. It's this nice pink champagne pop glittery beautifulness DIY glam bottle for Sierra. She's really gonna love it, and it's gonna make the Don Julio look even better. Hopefully I can pull this off. I've never done anything like this, like Mod Podge. I don't know how to use that, but I'm pretty confident we can do this. First of all, you're kidding. So beautiful. Come on, box. Come on, $150. Nothing, Mom. It was your credit card? No, I'm just kidding. This was very hard to get into my house. I went to Vaughn's to look for it first, and then I couldn't find it, but then I didn't want to come out with nothing, so I had to buy cookies. You know what? It was a whole thing. But we got it. That's all that matters. Anyways, that is what we're going to be doing today. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up for Sierra's 21st birthday. With all that being said, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, there is a lot going on the table right now, but I actually think we should start with taping all of like the designs and logos and stuff that we don't want to get glitter on, because I saw this lady do it in a video and I was like, that is so smart. Stay. I think I just brushed this on. Cure time, 4 weeks. I have like less than 24 hours. Oh my lord. Okay. Let dry 20 minutes in between each coat. I don't have time for that. Let's just wing it. I say we just wing it, guys. Comment down below right now if we should just wing it, and I will wait. Like this video while you're at it. And we're winging it. Okay. Wait, actually, maybe I shouldn't. I thought I was gonna have like multiple days to do this, but since I couldn't find the Don Julio at like any stores, I didn't want to get to the point where they're like, what are you even looking for? And I'm just like, cookies? Wow. For the glitter, I have the Martha Stewart. Oh my god, Martha Stewart! Isn't Martha Stewart like a baker? Super fine glitter. Wow, I'm doing it. Oh, I'm literally speechless. This is so fun. No way. That's beautiful. Look at that glitter shine. I feel like I can do bigger sections now that I'm getting the hang of it. Guys, I think after this I'm gonna like put glitter on everything because this is so much fun. Glitter. It's looking very good already, and I only have one side done. Okay guys, so this is how the bottle is looking as of now. I've just put all of the glitter all around the bottle. It is looking fantastic, but I have to let this sit for at least 20 minutes to have the Mod Podge and glitter sit and marinate in all of its beautifulness, and then I'll come back after that and we'll be ready to personalize it. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is all done drying. It still needs to set for like a little bit longer, but I'm okay to move on. Now I'm going to be doing the rhinestone border down here with the logo. I bought this rhinestone glue. It's from the brand Creatology. Now I know how JoJo Siwa's mom feels because she rhinestones like all of JoJo's stuff. I'm getting into the mind of JoJo's mom. What would Jesslyn do?
I love it so much.
Okay, it is a lot later. Now I'm moving on to one of the final steps, which is putting Sierra's name down the front of the bottle. I just cut out some of this foam glitter sheet, and then I also just used some of this Mod Podge and some rhinestones to bling it up a little bit. The back of this glitter sheet has a little sticky sheet on the back, but I honestly doubt that it's going to stay on this bottle for too long if I just do that. So I'm actually going to put some Mod Podge down first and then stick the letters on. So guys, I know I look a lot different now. It might be loud because I'm on the balcony hiding, but we are about to give Sierra her bottle. Hey! It looks so cute.
My hands feel